Hi, we're going to talk about bubble sort today. Bubble sort is an algorithm that takes a list of elements and puts them into sorted order by swapping them if they're out of order. Now, let's take a look at the code. All right, let's talk about bubble sort. Here on the first line, we have a set of numbers. These set of numbers are out of order if we are looking to put it into ascending order. This second line here, we have three variables, one I, j, and temp. We first would like to print out the set of numbers to make sure that, hey, this is the list of elements that we are going to put in order. And here's our first line of code. The first line of code that actually does something. So for being 0 and I being less than the length of the set of numbers, we need to go over it each loop. With each loop, we then have to loop again, but we cut off one of the numbers at the very end. So then what we do is compare the values at j and j plus 1. If j is greater than j plus 1, then we go ahead and swap the two. This allows us to put it into ascending order instead of descending order. So let's go ahead and run this code here. So there's two ways to run the application. You can do an npm start, or you can do a node index.js. When you hit enter, it goes ahead and prints off the list, and our list just happens to be in descending order. Now, bubble sort is going to put it into ascending order for us because that's how we actually programmed it. We said, hey, if the number is greater than this number, then we need to swap them. So that means we expect 10 to be at the last element of the array and 1 to be at the beginning elements of the array. So as you can see, 10 after the first pass moves down to the bottom. After the second pass, we see that 9 then joins it there at the bottom, and so forth, until we get our sorted array.